मोबाईल कावर घरी ठेवती.
Very good evening to all of you. Guys, kindly mute the mic. Let's wait for a few minutes. Let everyone join the session, then we'll start the session.
हेडफोन लावला की ना का बरं Hello.
All right, guys, let's start the session. Just let me know, am I audible?
Yes.
All right,
Yes, sir.
let's start the session. Guys, today I'm going to talk about HTML colors, right? And colors are specified with predefined color names or with RGB values, hex values, HSL, RGBA, or HSLA. Right? Let me write it down over here. Specify names or with RGB, hex, HSL, RGBA, or HSLA. Okay. So let's start with this. Let's add heading here. With heading, I'm gonna add style here. Background color, tomato. Okay. Heading is tomato. Next is your then orange. Then comes your RAM, Roger blue. And I'm gonna use medium, sea green. As am I audible? Just text me in the chat section. Gray. Slate blue. Then violet. And light gray. Okay. That's how you guys can use the background color with this. Adding style, the heading section or the paragraph section, right? You guys can set the paragraph, like the background color for the paragraph and the headings, right? Now let's go for the text color. Instead of this, I'm gonna add color only, right? Color, color, color.
Yes, sir.
Let's check it out. You guys can change the text color as well, right? Like this.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's talk about the border color. Okay. Say H1. Style, border, sorry, 2 pixel, solid, tomato. Okay. It's hello world, right? That's how we select the borders, the color borders, right? Now let's try the RGB value. Okay. The hex value and the HS. We just now practiced these things that like by the names, right? I'm gonna try RGB, hex, and HSL. Okay. Now I'm gonna talk about the color values by using RGB, hex, HSL. Same as color name, say tomato. I'm gonna choose one color and I'm gonna use the different values in RGB, hex, and HSL. Right. So it's like this. Let's go for this. Which one? The background color. Color. RGB 2559971. This is the value. Okay. here. Background color. Hash FF 6347. Last, not the least, it's background color. It's HSL 9, 100%, 64%. Okay. Now guys, I'm gonna use transparency. The way you guys can use opacity for the transparency, but here I'm gonna use manually in this RGB, hex, and HSL. So let's go for it. Tomato, but 50% transparent. Okay. German 2.5. Okay. And guys, we can use like transparency in RGBA and HSLA. This is HSL, right? And this is RGB. So we can use transparency in these two, like the RGB and the HSL. Wrote it over here. That is RGB or HSLA, right? So here it's RGBA, RGBA, right? Let's remove this. HSLA, HSLA. Then 0.5 I'm gonna add here also. Check it out over here. See the output, guys. That's how we use it. RGB, the hex. This is RGB. This is hex. This is HSL.
मेरी मीटिंग
This is RGBA. This is HSLA.
नंबर टाइप करी जो कोई छोटा बच्चा
Is that okay?
अरे उसको हाय करी ना मेरे को लगा कोई है
Is that clear, guys? Just let me know.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's
Yes,
move.
sir.
Right. Let's go for the CSS. I'm gonna tell you one thing about how to use CSS. Right. First, What is CSS? Anyone?
Client-side scripting language.
Cascading style sheet.
Cascading style sheets, right?
Yup.
What else? What you guys can do with CSS?
We can make it more creative.
Okay. So guys, with CSS, you can control the color, font, the size of text, the spacing between elements, how elements are positioned and laid out, what background images or background colors are to be used, different displays for different devices and screen sizes. And there are much more things in this, right? That is what we call CSS. Okay. Now, this is for the exam purpose. So CSS can be added to HTML documents in 3 ways, guys. Exactly, Muskan. So first one is your inline. Okay. So by using the style attribute inside elements. Second is internal. By let's say using a style element in the head section. Okay. Third is your external. By using a link element to link an external CSS file. Okay. Guys, first let's talk about the inline. H1 style, color blue, right? Say a blue heading. It is H1. And let's go for P style. Color red. Red. A red paragraph. Okay, let's check it out. This is inline CSS, right? That's how we use it. Okay, let's move ahead, guys, for internal CSS. Hmm. Let's add head. Style. And I'm gonna create class. So function body. The background color is powder blue. H1 color, it's blue. Paragraph is color red. Then I'm gonna close style. I'm gonna close head. I'm gonna open the body part from here, or let's say heading H1. This is heading. This is paragraph. Let's close the body part. Let's save it. Let's check the output, guys. That's how we use internal CSS. Okay, is that clear till now? Just let me know, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys, we used inline and the internal. External, you have to do it for me. That is your task for today. So external, you have to perform it for me. So this is about CSS. Now CSS colors, fonts and sizes we're talking about. Colors, fonts and sizes. Okay, so here the CSS color property defines the text color to be used. text font. Font family. Then you have font size. And text. As the text size to be used. Okay. Let's go for it, guys. So I'm gonna use this as internally. So H1 color blue, font family. I'm gonna select its Verdana. Font size. It's 300%. As am I audible? 300%.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, check your speaker.
Sir,
Yeah, there.
sir,
Paragraph. Yes. Who's this? Yes, Ankit. Now audible.
yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the paragraph, let's say color red. Family, it's courier. %60%, right? Style close, but head close and the body part is here. This is heading, this is paragraph. So let's save it. Let's check it out. This is Verdana font family. This is Courier font family. So font styles are different over here, right? Font size are different over here, and colors also. So guys, I'm gonna add some padding. Okay. The heading in the paragraph. So first I'm gonna add the border and I'm gonna add the padding in between the border and the text. Okay, padding is like adding some space in between the borders and the text. So let's go for it. Paragraph border 2 pixel solid powder blue. 30 pixel. Okay. Style head, body, this is heading. And in the paragraph, I'm going to add 3 paragraph. So okay, let's save it. Check this out, the padding part. Let's remove the padding over here. Check the output. This is without padding, and this is with 30 pixel padding. Okay. Now, guys, I'm going to add margin also.
Sir, can you please explain the border and padding once again?
Who's this?
Vaishnavi.
Okay. Vaishnavi, padding is a basic thing, like you guys can add gap or some kind of distance in between the border and the text, right? That's why we use padding. If you are moving the padding, just check out the output. You get to know by the practical stuff. This is without padding. If you're writing any paragraph along with the border, so it will come like this, right? I'm going to add some space between the text and the border. So in that case, I'm going to add padding 30 pixel or 15 pixel. It's up to you. As per the requirement, you guys can add, right? Now it's clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So CSS margin, I'm going to add margin also. Margin property defines a margin space, like space outside the border. Okay, so after the padding, I'm going to add margin of 50 pixel. Say, so check this out. We added space or the margin from the like screen to the center or something like that. From the borders, it's 50 pixel. Let's add 100 pixel. So it's like this. Go for